Hi guys, welcome back.
Hello everyone, long time no see, but we are back and we are back with something absolutely
Stunning.
special. Obviously it's a Patek, as we can see from the box.
Yeah.
I think it's one of the most stunning Pateks we have ever seen, or at least I have ever seen.
Ilda, when it came in, everyone was crowding around it. Everyone
Yes.
wanted to see it. And do you know what? I'm so excited to show you guys
It's
exactly
beautiful.
what it is.
Let's open it up for you guys. It's just stunning. There it is. The rose gold blue dial
Nautilus travel time. So this is the 5990
Absolutely
1R.
fantastic. Let me grab it.
Every time I look at it, I love it even more.
Let me just get it out, Kaylie, because to describe it, you actually have to look at it.
You have to.
It's just so beautiful. The rose gold
With
makes
the blue.
a statement.
But rose gold Pateks are always nice, but with this blue dial, that combination, imagine in the sunlight, it's honestly
beautiful. Do you know the model number on this, Kaylie?
Yep, it's 5990 1R.
Lovely. And also, what we can say about this watch is that it has something quite special.
Yes, it has 3 different functions, doesn't
That's
it?
correct. So we've got the obviously flyback chronograph,
Yeah.
and then we've got the dual time
Yeah.
zone. So which is one is the local and one is the home zone.
Yeah.
And then you can also see like the date display at
Exactly.
the top. So you've got that as well. So it's quite complicated, let's say.
Yeah.
It has 3 different complications,
exactly.
as Patek would call them. We think that this is absolutely stunning. And who do you see wearing this, Kaylie?
I think I've seen some footballers wear this piece.
This is a celebrity's
This is a
watch,
100%,
isn't it?
yeah.
It's absolutely a celebrity's watch. It's not exactly for everyone. Obviously, the
I'd
price.
love to have it.
We all would, but the price is
Yeah.
quite high. It's one of the most expensive pieces
Yeah.
that we had around.
Especially at retail as well. I
Correct.
believe it's like 115
120
bit
euros,
more,
roughly.
yeah, at retail,
pounds.
which is obviously it's a Patek, but it's rose gold. It's got it's a travel time.
It has everything.
It has
in
everything you want in a watch.
It has a lot in it. It has
Yeah.
the precious metal, but also the chronograph, the complications. So
The local and home. It really does have everything, but also it's got rose gold in the dial as well, hasn't it?
yes, of course, the hands are rose gold, matching the case of the
Exactly.
watch, which is absolutely stunning. Also, it's heavy.
Yeah.
There's a lot of gold in this,
Yes.
isn't there? It's absolutely beautiful.
I know we keep saying it, but the blue and rose gold together, like
Let us know what you think,
yeah.
but we think this is one of the most beautiful Pateks we've ever
Yeah,
seen.
100%.
And one of the most precious, and one that you don't see a lot around.
No, not at all. Do you actually want to know something, guys? We sourced and sold this for a customer within 24 hours.
Yes.
And we just want you to know, if there's anything that you are interested in that you don't see on our website, we will always source them for you and we'll always beat any price that you see. But guys, we don't just source watches, buy watches, sell watches, consign watches. We also repair watches as well.
Absolutely.
And we're also here for any advice that you want. You can always give us a call with any questions and we'll always help you. But for now,
That was it, and I think it was a great
Great one.
one. So see you next time.
bye guys.